Hi there, welcome to English with Shahy. I'm Shahy. I think you already know that. So today we're looking at COVID and the new one, Delta, vocabulary and phrases. So let's start. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? Okay. Cough, lack of taste and smell. That means you can't taste and smell. Not being able to breathe properly because it affects your respiratory system, the breathing system. Some people that are symptomatic, which means they don't get the symptoms, but they have the virus. What are the symptoms of the Delta COVID? Okay, medical professions, the doctors, are saying that the symptoms are different. People don't get a cough. They get a sore throat. Okay, when it's hurting inside, a sore throat. This is the neck and the inside is the throat. They get a sore throat out. A runny nose. When you're blowing your nose all the time, okay, you need a tissue to wipe your nose with. Runny nose. A fever and temperature, or temperature you can call it. When the temperature of your body goes up and you feel cold and your body hurts. A temperature or a fever. Many people go to the test center to get tested for the virus. I went to the test center to get a test done. I had to wait for my results. My results were positive. My results were negative. If your results were positive, you probably had to quarantine. So you can say, my results were positive and I had to quarantine for 2 weeks, stay inside. We had a time where people were coming door to door and giving out kits. So people could do the test and then give it to them. And then they would get a text message to say if the result was positive or negative. So they didn't have to go out to get the test done. Somebody came to collect the test, to take it. Okay, so you can say, I went to the surgery or the hospital to get vaccinated, to get my jab. If the vaccine is not available in your country, you can say, the vaccine is not yet available in my country, which means it will be available later maybe. There are people who don't want the vaccine and they are called the anti-vaxxers. They don't want to get vaccinated. For whatever reason they might think. Some people might get side effects from the vaccine. They might say, oh, I had the vaccine yesterday and I have a fever today. Okay, and I'm not feeling too good. I'm going to rest. So it depends. Some people, they don't have any side effects. They don't have any problems after they have the vaccine, but some people do. So if you have had the vaccine, or you don't want to have the vaccine, let us know what your opinion is down below. I would love to know. So that's the end. Make sure you show your support by liking, sharing, subscribing and connecting with me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye for now.